guys, John, the firearms instructor. I'm proud to announce the Masterclass is back for September. You guys have been asking for it, so we're going to start the first Masterclass of the fall starting September the 1st at 7 p.m. It's a webinar style course that we've done since February. We took off the summer a couple months just to kind of give us a break, but we're wanting to start it back up in the fall, and we're looking for 10 students just like you that want to conquer their handgun. The Master Your Handgun in 4 weeks gives you a webinar style PowerPoint presentation, PDF drills that you're able to take to the range and kind of understand what you're doing wrong. Not only do you get all that, but you get to work with me, and you get a free ebook on mastering your handgun in 4 weeks. What's it cost? Only $79.99, and you are going to be able to work with me for those 4 weeks. What do you need? You need to have the ability to learn. You need to have a firearm. You need to get to the range at least once a week. Most of our drills are low round count drills, so you're going to need at least get to the range and shoot 50 rounds per week. The consistency itself will help you with grip and stance and trigger control and sight picture and sight alignment. It's going to take you from the very basics all the way to doing some defensive stuff as well, like shooting one-handed or shooting with your non-dominant hand, and getting you comfortable. It's going to let you understand what you're doing wrong with the pistol. All you have to do is say yes, click the link below, get signed up, and we'll see you September the 1st at 7 p.m. to conquer your handgun once and for all. If you're sick of missing at the range and you just can't figure it out, the Masterclass itself will help you tremendously. Does not matter where you are. This is a webinar style training class. It's like having an instructor on your phone or in your back pocket that you can contact and call. You're going to get the PowerPoints. You're going to get the PDF drills. You're going to get the homework. You're going to get the course system. You're going to get everything you need to improve your accuracy today. If you're looking for something that's going to improve your accuracy, this is it. It's a proven class. In fact, every student that's ever taken this has improved their accuracy 100-fold. If you're looking to stop missing and start shooting and hitting your target, this is for you. The Masterclass starts September 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click the link, get signed up, and let's master your handgun together. I'm John, the firearms instructor, and I specialize in you, and I truly appreciate you being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm a family-owned business, and people like you keep us employed. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense. We'll see you, folks.